Are you tired of dealing with hair loss, thinning hair, or balding? Introducing Folifort, the all-natural hair growth supplement designed to address the root cause of hair loss and promote healthier hair growth. Hair loss affects both men and women as they get older, and finding a safe and effective solution has been a challenge. Prescription medications exist, but they come with limitations and specific criteria. That's where Folifort steps in as a natural alternative. So what exactly is Folifort? It's an all-natural hair growth supplement formulated to combat hair loss and stimulate natural hair growth. Unlike prescription drugs, Folifort can be purchased without a prescription and is suitable for both men and women. Folifort works by suppressing an enzyme called 5-ARD, which is responsible for the production of DHT, a hormone linked to hair loss. By regulating DHT levels, Folifort effectively stops hair loss in its tracks. Additionally, Folifort provides essential nutrients to nourish and strengthen hair follicles, promoting stronger and healthier hair growth. It also reduces inflammation in the scalp, allowing vital nutrients to reach the follicles for more substantial growth. The secret behind Folifort's effectiveness lies in its blend of vitamins, minerals, herbal extracts, and natural ingredients. Let's explore some of the key ingredients. Vitamin B5 helps rebuild hair shafts and protect follicles from damage, while zinc maintains healthy oil glands and protects hair from weakening. Biotin stimulates keratin production, increasing the rate of follicle growth and resistance to breakage. Selenium plays a crucial role in generating new hair follicles, activating enzymes for regeneration. FOT, native to China, helps prevent hair loss, cover bald areas, and promote healthy hair growth. Keratin and collagen, the main components of hair follicles, work together to grow new follicles and strengthen existing ones. Hyaluronic acid improves scalp health, reducing inflammation and supporting hair growth. These are just a few of the powerful ingredients in Folifort. The best way to take Folifort is taking 2 capsules every day after eating your evening meal with a glass of water. Do not double your dose if you miss a day. Instead, simply continue taking 2 capsules per day until you obtain the desired results. The best results come when you take Folifort consistently for 3 to 6 months, to allow time for your hair to regenerate and regain its strength. The benefits of Folifort are impressive. Users have reported faster and thicker hair growth within weeks. Scalp health improves, creating a favorable environment for hair growth. And for those suffering from balding or thinning hair, Folifort directly addresses the root cause by inhibiting the excess DHT production. Worried about side effects? Fear not. Folifort is overwhelmingly safe and well tolerated by users. Minor side effects, such as nausea or stomach pain, are rare and associated with typical supplement usage. The highest quality ingredients are used, ensuring purity and potency. Folifort is one of the best natural hair growth supplements on the market today. Thousands of men and women have already experienced its benefits, stopping hair loss and regaining thicker, fuller hair. If you're ready to combat hair loss and boost hair growth, visit the official Folifort website and order your bottles today. The link is in the descriptions. And the best part, Folifort comes with a 100% satisfaction money-back guarantee of 60 days from the original purchase. So, if you need the most finely tuned hair support product and want real results, just give it a try. Thank you so much for watching Click and Solution. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more honest reviews and exciting content.